If you want to check the RAM size on your Samsung Galaxy, so first we'll open up your settings. And now we gotta scroll down to our battery and device care section. Here it is. Open this section, and here you gotta find your memory tab. So tap it and give your phone a couple seconds to view the detailed information about your RAM usage. So here you can see your current RAM, right? And if you say, so for example, I have 1 and 9 GB available and I have 6 GB general, so it means my phone have a total of 6 GB, right? Easy as that. You can also clean it up by stopping some background apps, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.